Hello, I'm Stephen Hollowell, Realtor with Keller Williams, Ann Arbor. I'm standing outside of one of Ann Arbor's most unique properties, the former home of local legend Herb David, artist, musician, craftsman, and of course, longtime downtown business owner of the Herb David Guitar Studio. Located in the Kimberly Hills neighborhood of Ann Arbor, this home sits on 3 wooded lots, a wonderfully private sanctuary right in the heart of town. 2585 Gladstone Ave is truly a special place. Let's go take a look.